What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can already see by the title, I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this sleek low ponytail with fresh, revived, and moisturized curls, because honey. So my hair was looking all over the place before I got it in this sleek low ponytail, and you're about to see that in a minute. You're about to be very disappointed in how my hair looked. But we're fixing it because it happens. Let's be real life curly girl problems. It's not always moisturized and flourishing. If you're interested in seeing how I got my hair into this sleek ponytail, just keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell so you don't miss on any of my other videos. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So before my hair goes into any type of bun, I definitely need to make sure that I detangle first. So I'm just using my spray bottle, which just has water in it, and I'm taking my comb and going through and detangling it. My hair already had product in it from a few days ago, so I'm adding a little bit more just to revive it using my Carol's Daughter twisting Custard, and I will have that linked in the description box. After all the product is in, I'm just going in and redefining certain curls in big chunks, and I'm focusing towards the ends because that's where all the definition is going to show after I do my bun. So that's all I'm doing here. So after that, I'm just going through the rest of my hair, repeating the same process. So after making sure that the top of my hair is flat and ready for a low ponytail, I'm just taking my black castor oil and flaxseed oil Eco Styler gel and putting that on my hair and taking my brush and just slicking it all back.